condense your kit or reduce your makeup bag so you haven't got quite so much spilling all over the place? Well, this video is going to tell you exactly that. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified for more videos. There's a playlist all on growing your business, and there's other various tutorials for hair and makeup too. Step 1, foundation. I use one core foundation in my kit, which is buildable. It's HD, so it's great for photographs, and in all honesty, every single person who is coming to you at some point is going to end up in a photograph. So to me, every single face that you do should be HD, should be ready to be in a photograph. So if she has a combination skin, I might use a mattifying down the middle with a hydrating around the jawline and the sides, and then I might even go in with a little bit more of a strobe all around the cheeks and the high points, just to give her a little bit of radiance, but not put it anywhere where they're shining. The foundation that I like to use is HD Brows, and this one is sweat proof. It's absolutely amazing. It's got great coverage. Depending on what brush you use, it will depend on how it goes on the skin. 2, you could buy with a friend. So if you're going to be getting pigment form or a lipstick you can take out of its packaging, you could split that with a friend. So I mean, MAC, for example, they do some pigments, and their pigments are massive. They last absolutely ages. So you could split that between 3 people. One of the good things that I've got is these. I think quite a lot of makeup artists have these now, and these are from Muji, the stack of pill pots, and you can put loads of different stuff in. So you can condense all your pigments into one of these, even lipsticks if you wanted to. I prefer this for putting lipsticks in. It is a little bit messy, but I prefer it. You can pop all your different shades of lipstick in here, and then, so how many have I got in there? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there is 12 lipsticks in here that can all be crammed in to save having a load of loose lipsticks, and then you can see what you've got. It's so much easier. These you can put all your pigments into. You can also use these for lipsticks if you prefer, but these are about £2.25. They are so cheap. I can't remember how much this was, but these are really cheap, and they're both off Muji. Step 3. Gel liners can be used to build up more intensity, so you don't need loads of colour. So eyeshadow, and then you use a cream base over the top of your eyeshadow, and then you put your eyeshadow again over the top to make it more intense. And you might use these with loads of different colours, but you don't need to. So I have a black, a brown and a nude, and then I might mix a little bit of the brown with a little bit of the nude if I need a little bit more depth, and then I will add the colour over the top. Those being a cream, the eyeshadow will grab and it will build up that intensity without having tons and tons of colour. The same again with step 4, which is for your waterline. You can get a nude eye pencil or a white eye pencil. MAC do these in Chromaline. You use that on the waterline. You'll go over with a matte shadow out of your palette. So what you could have hundreds and hundreds of colours, and if you pat that over the top of a nude or a white eyeliner, you'll pack it on. It makes it water resistant, so it stays on for longer, and it also creates tons of different colours. And you can also see a YouTube video here for that. So there's no need to buy 20 different pencils in all different colours, because you can just use the colours and adapt them out of your palettes with one pencil. Step 5, mixing. So all of your kit can be mixed to create different colours. So your foundations, you could get 5 different colours from the colour range. MAC also have a mixing medium that you can buy. You can mix that in with your eyeshadows. You can make waterproof eyeliners. Also try having 1 lip gloss and 1 Vaseline, and then mix a tiny bit of your lipstick shade to make that into a colour. They will help you create tons of different glosses. There's no need to have tons of glosses in your kit. Just buy some core lipsticks so you've got all your colours, and then you can bring them out and make more. Some pigments can double up as highlighters. MAC Nylon, some of the pigments from Peaches and Cream can also double up as highlighters. I think they have one called Wish. For a makeup artist, and mattifying is definitely a must. So many people have a really oily skin, and it's good to have oil control. My biggest recommend is definitely the Urban Decay De-Slick powder, which is absolutely amazing mattifying powder. If you want to have a shimmery bronzer, then you can just mix a little bit of your lighter highlighter, your softer highlighter, in with your bronzer, and then it will give you your shimmery bronzer. That's it guys. I hope you took some tips for this to how to help condense your kit. I like to work with all mine into parcels, so I've got some of the bags. I have a Zuka bag, and then I use the pouches from MyKit Co. And then I have all my foundations in one, all my powders and my highlighters in another, all my eyeshadows in another. Everything is all really organised when I go out. It's dead easy to pack it away. It goes in the bag like a jigsaw puzzle, and it just makes, I think when you go out, makes your workstation look really tidy. Now, if you found this useful and what your biggest takeaways are, go check out Muji. I'll put all the links below for everything that's been mentioned in the video. Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. There is going to be more of these videos that are all to help grow your business and make your life easier. Now, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.